Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly so the sealant bonds to dry, loose free concrete, and no debris remains. Use a 29-ounce caulk gun for larger tubes, and choose a self-leveling polyurethane or silicone-based sealant rated for horizontal concrete joints. Prep by removing vegetation and loose material with a stiff brush and a shop vacuum, then blow out remaining dust with compressed air or a leaf blower. Dry the area completely. Moisture prevents adhesion and causes foaming or shrinkage, so wait until the surface is visibly dry. Cut the nozzle to match the crack width and test on cardboard so the bead size is predictable. Hold the gun at a low 45-degree angle and squeeze gently for a steady flow while moving at a consistent pace. For deep cracks, fill to about 1/4 of the crack depth with backer rod to keep the sealant near the surface and conserve material. After running the bead, wait 10 minutes for the sealant to level and settle. Then, if necessary, use a flat, slightly damp tool or a plastic spreader to feather edges for a seamless transition. Avoid aggressive tooling that traps air. Common mistakes start with applying sealant to dirty or wet cracks, which causes poor adhesion and early failure, so always clean and dry first. A second issue is overfilling or underfilling cracks. Overfilling creates messy ridges and underfilling leaves voids that allow water in, so use backer rod for deep gaps and aim for a flush or slightly recessed finish. Third, moving too fast with the gun or using inconsistent pressure causes uneven beads and excess squeeze out. So practice controlling the trigger, keep a steady speed, and use a test bead before working on the driveway. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to driveway repair and sealant projects. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and compare products.